30th.
30?
Yeah.
Oh.
30. So, what's the number?
That's to the other room, so.
I'm just gonna give you a quick room tour. So we got nice king size bed and the two lamps both side, and the reading lamp as well. Might like, I don't know. If you wanna read a book, and we got full size mirror here, and we got a big TV, which is nice, and we have a writing table and chair, and another chair right here, and the amazing bay view of San Francisco. And we got, let's check right here, we got a sip and some Starbucks coffee.
Didn't want to go back to the life I had before you. What about my life?
And the fridge. Other things, it's very clean. I can see something inside, which is not I'm very happy about. And you got your closet right here, and there's some drawers, and some hangers, and iron. Makeup table. Here's the bathroom and the shower. The sink and the extra towel and the hair dryer. And here you got makeup days, the mirror and the makeup light and makeup chair. And yep, that's it. If you wanna get this view, you have to book an Hyatt King bedroom with bay view. Good morning from San Francisco. Look at this morning view.